Well, hello Porsche fans. Right in front of me is one of the nicest Targas I have ever been a part of here. This was a car that one of my clients spec'd. He built it, he took delivery of it, and as crazy as this may sound, we have found him another amazing vehicle to replace this one. Although one would argue that there's really not much you can do to replace such a beautiful Targa in stick shift as the one you were seeing right now before you. We did some nice special touches. This car has the sport design package, and normally this piece right here is body color. We painted it black to give it more of a sleek look. I think Porsche caught on to this idea, and now all of the new 2025 sport design rear bumpers are all black at the bottom. But take a look at this beautiful car. Design taillights, 911 Porsche emblem in color. The entire car is wrapped with PPF, by the way. The sills are in silver. This is all like heritage to the nth degree here. The Fuchs inspired wheels. The Porsche logo on the side skirt all in gloss black. And yeah, we'll get to the inside in a moment. Painted side mirrors. I installed the clear markers. This is a car you just won't stop looking at. It is absolutely, positively stunning. There's no other description needed for this car. So this has the full Heritage design package. All of your inlays are done in the Pepita. And same thing with the seats. These are the 8-way sport seats. You have the Pepita inserts. Same thing in the back. Look at the detail on this transmission tunnel there. Absolutely gorgeous. There you go, Porsche exclusive manufacturer. And manual transmission. So this is the last year you can get a manual transmission Targa. So all the new 2025s that are coming out and model year 26 Targas will be a PDK, which is great. It's a great transmission, but you can't get it in stick. You have the leather inlays. The leather inlay as well here. All of these details are absolutely astonishing. Let's show you the passenger side too. So you have the 911 emblem right there on the sill. This car has PDCC, sport exhaust, front axle lift, heated seats, manual transmission. That's all you need to know. Look at the gauge cluster. Oh, did I mention manual transmission? Okay, you have your gear selector, or your mode selector rather. Your clock in the classic design look. Oh, and also manual transmission. Let's just get one final side profile here. All right, well, what do you think? This car is available for sale today. It just came in. So go in the comment section below, find my contact details, reach out to me ASAP if you want to claim this beautiful Targa. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. This has been a pleasure showing this one to you. So this is Rich DelMazzio from Porsche Greenwich, 203-302-1683, and you'll see my email information below. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more amazing Porsche vehicles.